Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Absolutely. A bad CV, constant velocity, axle can cause clunking noises when going over bumps or during turns. This sound is typically a result of excessive play in the CV joints or wear in the axle itself. If you're hearing these sounds, it's a strong indicator that the CV axle needs inspection or replacement. Ignoring this could lead to more serious problems, including a potential axle failure while driving. It's crucial to address these symptoms promptly to ensure your vehicle's safety and reliability.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.